Welcome back to my vlog. Today we're talking about summer and how important it is to make the most out of our summer months. I want to help you avoid a summer slump, feel like you had a memorable summer, and improve your mental health. I live in Wisconsin, and if you live in the Midwest, you can probably relate when I say that summer goes so fast. We only have so many nice days, and it seems like the weeks just fly by. And then all of a sudden, it's fall again. Do you ever look back and think, wow, what did I even do this summer? I've definitely felt that way before, especially when I was a teen. I remember what it was like to sleep until noon, watch TV all afternoon, and then realize the day was already over. Now, I'm not saying you can't relax. Summer is a great time to relax and rejuvenate. But I also don't want you to feel like you wasted your summer away. Summer is a great time to have fun, spend time with people we care about, accomplish some goals, and also spend time focusing on our mental health. First, I recommend creating a summer bucket list. What do you want to do this summer? If we make something a priority, we're more likely to put in the time to accomplish it. So just list out some things you want to do, see, listen to, or experience, or people you want to spend time with at least once this summer. Your bucket list can include things like visiting the beach, going to a county fair, visiting your grandparents or a nursing home, having a movie marathon, trying out a new sport, hosting a themed party, or running a 5K. It's also important to carve out some time for self-care. Self-care is vital for mental health. And if you want to go into the fall feeling refreshed, here are some tools, activities, and resources to help you enjoy summer and improve your mental well-being. I recommend picking 3 to 5 ideas that work best for you and incorporating them into your summer routine. Number 1, keep a daily or weekly journal. Write reflections and set intentions to stay connected with your emotions. I love journaling. Number 2, do something for someone else. Be intentional about doing something kind for someone else daily. When we give our time, talents, and compassion to others, it fills our purpose bucket and improves our mental health. Number 3, make movement part of your day. Maintain an active lifestyle through regular physical activities. This can be anything from a summer sports league to a daily walk around the neighborhood. Even me in the summer, we have more time because we're not speaking as much, so I'm doing more movement with my arms. Number 4, incorporate laughter into your daily life. Engage in humor and find joy in small moments. Number 5, seek opportunities for connection and involvement. Participate in community or volunteer activities and stay connected with loved ones. Number 6, avoid isolation and spending too much time alone. Intentionally reach out to friends and family on a daily basis. Number 7, nurture your interests. Pick a hobby you want to focus on and make time to enjoy it every day or week. Number 8, keep a gratitude list. Write down 3 to 5 things every day that you're grateful for. That's been a huge thing that has helped me over the years when it comes to my mental health. And number 9, practice good sleep habits. Go to bed at a reasonable hour and get up at a good time every morning. Try to limit screen time before you sleep. Number 10, listen to music that uplifts you. Start by saving my Amazon playlist of 50 uplifting songs. I'll put the link in the caption. Number 11, keep your body fueled. Drink a lot of water and try to eat at least 1 fruit and 1 vegetable every day. Number 12, practice positive self-talk. Have compassion for yourself and talk to yourself like you would a friend. I hope these ideas are helpful to you. I created a PDF download that includes all these tips, plus some bonus advice for parents who want to help their teens have a great summer. It's free. And you can find that over on my website homepage, which I'll put a link in the description. So please leave me a comment about which of these ideas you're going to use for yourself. Thanks so much for joining me. See you next time.